the last thing within encapsulation topic is protected. So what does it mean? Public means if something is public, you can use it inside the class and outside the class. If something is private, it means you can use it only inside the class. But if something is protected, so it's something like between public and private. So what does it mean? If something is protected, it means that you can use it inside the class and in another class which inherit everything from the previous class. So I will show you. For example, here we have a self.ratings, okay? And I would like to say this is protected. How can I say it? It will, or you can say it by 1_, okay? So please be careful. 1_ means protected, 2 underscores mean private, okay? So if something like it goes like this, so it means you can use it inside the class, so it's the same like the private, but there is one more option where you can use it. So if I will create a new class, I will call it the bestseller, and I will write it like this. So now the bestseller is empty, okay? Pass, we can use it if something is empty and we don't want to throw an error. So if I will run it now, you can see an error here. But if I will write here pass, so it means it doesn't matter that it's empty. It's okay. Don't throw any error. So if I will run it, you can see no error here. Okay. So I will put here pass until we will put here some code. But the main point, what I would like to say, so is I created a new class bestseller. Okay. And I would like to say, okay, the bestseller is the same like the book. So I don't want to write all this stuff again to the bestseller. So I can write here a book. So the book is the name of this class. So it means the bestseller inherit everything from the book. Okay, and there's a point. We will speak about inheritance in some another video, because inheritance is one of the key principles of OP, okay? But the point why I wanted to show you is that if something is protected, so it means you can use it inside the class and inside the class which inherit from the previous class, okay? And that's the point, guys. So protected means inside the class plus inside the inherited class. We can call it like this. I hope I hope that you understand. So inside the class book and inside the inherited class bestseller. Okay, so you can use it. So you can use it here. You can use it here. No problem. So the conclusion is, guys, that public is something what you can use inside the class and outside. It's no problem. You can use it anywhere you want. Private means you can use it only inside the class and nothing else. Okay, and protected means it's something between private and public. You can use it inside the class. It's the same like private. Plus you can use it in the class which inherit from the previous class, like the bestseller inherit everything from the book. Okay, so I hope that now you understand. But the problem is, if this means it's protected, again you can use it here. So if I will print book1.ratings, it's possible. Okay, I will call it, and you can see that's absolutely okay. So it runs again. It's possible to write like this, but please don't do that. Okay, it's a convention between programmers in Python. Please don't use anything with 2 underscores and anything in 1_ outside. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, so how I said, Python run this absolutely without problem. So it's how I said, it's only convention, okay? So it's only the agreement between programmers in Python. Don't use anything with 2 underscore or with 1 underscore outside, okay? So now guys, I hope that you understand what's the difference between public, protected and private, and if something private there are 2 underscores, if something is protected there is only 1 underscore, and if it is public there is no underscore, okay? So I hope you understand.